What's the scariest place in the universe? Most people would probably say a black hole. Good guess. But before a black hole gets you, the universe has plenty of other horrifying ways to ruin your day. Let's begin. The sun. It looks warm, bright, almost friendly. It's not. Every second, it releases more energy than humanity has ever used. Fly too close, and your spacecraft won't reach the surface. It will melt, vaporize, and become a cloud of very expensive atoms. And here's the scary part. The sun isn't even a particularly big star. It's average. Now meet Venus. People call it Earth's twin. That's like calling a volcano your swimming pool. It's hot enough to melt lead. But heat isn't what kills you first. The atmosphere is so heavy it would crush you almost instantly. Even our toughest spacecraft survived for barely an hour. Venus doesn't just kill visitors, it humiliates them. Next, a Wolf-Rayet star. These stars are enormous and unbelievably hot. They're constantly blasting material into space at millions of kilometers per hour. Eventually, they explode as supernovas. For a short time, one dying star can outshine an entire galaxy. Talk about making an exit. Then comes the magnetar, the strongest magnetic object ever discovered. Its magnetic field is so powerful it could disrupt electronics from an incredible distance. Get close enough, and even the atoms inside your body could be affected.
Wait, stop! Those are my atoms!
The worst part? You'd never see it coming. Some dead stars become pulsars. They spin hundreds of times every second while firing giant beams of radiation through space. Think of a lighthouse. Except the light can kill you. Luckily, space is enormous. Otherwise, we'd have bigger problems. Now, a black hole. As you get closer, gravity pulls harder on your feet than your head. You stretch longer, until you're pulled apart. Scientists actually call this spaghettification. It's one of the funniest scientific words for one of the worst ways to die. At the center of our galaxy sits Sagittarius A star, a black hole with a mass of 4 million suns. We can't see it directly. We only know it's there because nearby stars race around something invisible. Sometimes the scariest monsters are the ones you can't see. Feed a supermassive black hole enough gas, and it becomes a quasar, one of the brightest objects in the universe. Some shine brighter than hundreds of billions of stars combined, which is ironic, because they're powered by something completely black. Then there are gamma ray bursts, the most powerful explosions we've ever discovered. Some last only a few seconds, yet release more energy than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. If one happened close enough and pointed at Earth, our atmosphere could disappear. Thankfully, they're incredibly rare. Finally, the place no one will ever explore. Inside a black hole, cross the event horizon, and nothing comes back. No light, no messages, no rescue. Physics can describe the journey to the edge. Beyond that, nobody knows. And maybe that's the most terrifying thing of all. The universe still has places where it simply says, you're not supposed to know.